uMohulatsi wazalwa ngo-1964 eVedranki eduze kwaseRustenburg. Ngo-1995 waba yingxenye yobuholi be-ANC. Ngo-2013 waqembukela eqenjini i-EFF. Uthathe isikhundla sokuba yikhansela ngemuva kokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngo-2021. Umndeni wakhe ukhungathekile ngokubulawa kwakhe.
We need to cap this before it can spread all over. Please, we are pleading. Whoever has a little information, come forth and inform the subs, please.
We have also called on all community members who might have some information regarding this killing of Ntate Mohulatsi to come forth and assist the investigation.
Yize i-EFF namaphoyisa benqabile ukuqagula imbangela yokubulawa kukaMohulatsi, umkhandlu womasipala waseRustenburg awuzange uchithe ukuthi ukubulawa kwakhe kungenzeka ukuba kweyamene nezombusazwe.
We will follow up with them. We will continuously, as already have spoken with the Brigadier of Subs, to ensure that these cases are fast-tracked. But this is not to say that we do not care about our citizens in terms of who will be facing murder or whatever the case might be. But this sends out a different message, a different tone, that in South Africa that we live in, we cannot tolerate such.
Mohulatsi uphinde wasebenza ne-Freedom movement okuyinhlangano elelwa ukuthi iLesotho ibe yingxenye yeNingizimu Afrika. Ababethamele inkonzo yesikhumbuzo baphinde banxusa ukuthi umphakathi ukuba ulekelele ngolwazi olungaholela ekuboshweni kombulali.